Hey gang, Happy New Year and welcome to my FPV channel. The Emax BabyHawk R Pro. I'm going to take it for another spin, hopefully record some FPV footage and I'll try not to crash it. Link in the description as always, banggood.com. But let me tell you, I'll do a quick line of sight first and you'll see why it's so cool. Yeah, definitely not an indoor drone guys. Alright, let's crack on. Okay, quick bit of line of sight guys, so you guys can see just how menacing this thing is. It sounds good, it looks good, and it is good. This thing is absolutely fabulous. Yep, can't see the sun. A punchy, fast little cracker. A little bit of wind here guys, so it's making it a little bit tricky, but we'll see how we go anyway. I'll try and tone things down a bit, as I do not want to destroy this. Very hard to fly this thing line of sight because it's so jolly fast. Let's just do a sweep left and right. As you can see, yeah. What a cracker. Okay, that's enough fooling around. So as you can see, I've just got some box goggles here. I've actually Chrissy presented myself a brand new pair of Fat Shark HDO, so that's going to improve my picture a bit when they finally come. So I'm sorry, we're just stuck with the yeah, the old Cyclops recording. Oh, I've got no idea where that went because I lost my transmission. Okay. Hence causing me to drop it down pretty quick so I don't lose it. But I can see this thing is going to be a hell of a lot of fun once I finally get some decent hardware to play with it. Let's just try and do some circles around without coming to any grief. Will be good. Yeah, I'm about 20% throttle guys. This thing is pretty crazy dangerous fast. So as I said before, definitely not an indoor unit. Lots of fun. Recommend some Fat Shark goggles with it. Otherwise you're going to get yourself into all sorts of trouble because it's going to black out like we did earlier on. A little bit windy here, it's coped pretty well in the wind though. And I think it's time I bring her down. My battery's on too low, I'm trying to hit myself in the head. And low battery, okay, down we come. Down for a perfect landing. Perfect-ish landing, Fred. Yep, she's nice and flat now. Emax BabyHawk Pro. What an absolute cracker. Go for it, guys. This thing is crazy fun. Pretty dangerous too. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, drop me a comment. Thumbs up. I know, I need some more FPV goggles. They're coming. And I'll see you soon in the sky. Catch you later, Sky Pilot. Bye for now. What a cracker.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.